Hey guys, your back kids, welcome back. We have BTC price plunges to lowest levels since August. So, live your article by Concepting Reviewing Blog Alexandria. So, you guys want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. If you subscribe, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, and also if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. And let's head on straight. So, BTC plunged to $38,560.45 in the early hours of Friday, its lowest level since August. So the world's biggest cryptocurrency has fallen about 6.68% over the past 24 hours. So Ether, Binance Coin, Cardano, Solana have all fared the firewalls, with some altcoins shedding 9% of their value. ETH neared $2,800 at one point. So once the stablecoins are taken out of the equation, the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap are currently red. So BTC has been closely correlated to the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100, and on Thursday, this index officially entered correction territory. On Wall Street, Nasdaq 100 ended the day at $14,846.46. That's a fall of more than 10% from the all-time highs that were set in mid-November. So why is this happening? We have further pain is expected as the Fed prepares to raise interest rates and end the stimulus measures that buoyed the economy during the pandemic. Another development, Russia's central bank is considering an outright ban on trading and mining cryptocurrencies. So Moscow fears such digital assets can undermine financial stability, harm investors, and undermine its monetary policy. Over on crypto Twitter, Friday's painful losses were linked to the upcoming expiry of Bitcoin options. So according to Invest Answers, BTC bears need the price to remain below $41,000 in order to clock up $132 million in gains. So after coming tantalizingly close to breaking $3 trillion for the first time, the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies has now slumped to $1.8 trillion. Some analysts are now fearful that BTC will slide further in the weeks ahead, potentially toward $35,000. In a research note, Delphi Digital explained all risk assets, BTC in particular, have been hammered by a recent spike in bond yields, adding, the market is now pricing in at least 4 rate hikes this year, with the probability of a fifth ticking up this week. So perhaps of greater concern to BTC investors should be the fact that this sudden pullback wasn't followed by a significant rebound as in early December. So Bitcoin maximalists tend to shrug off sharp declines in price and instead I prefer to take a long-term view. One of them, Sean, tweeted, BTC is digital gold. It's also an open public payment network. It's not digital tulips. I won't go away. It's empowering people around the world. It's just getting started. So all eyes will be on the next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, which is scheduled to take place on January 25th and 26th. So guys, that's what we have on CoinMarketCap news today. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have questions, can show more light and let us know what you think in the comment section. Peace out guys, stay safe and one love.